If you're tired of dealing with messy yards or dragging around heavy corded tools, it might be time to upgrade. That's where cordless leaf blowers come in. Not only are they lightweight and easy to use, but they also give you the power and convenience to keep your yard spotless without the hassle of cords or gas. But with so many models available, choosing the right one can be tricky. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best cordless leaf blowers for a clean yard. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, best runtime, or overall best option, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the cordless leaf blowers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 6 is the Greenworks 80 volts cordless leaf blower. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It has an 80 volt brushless motor for better efficiency, lower noise, and longer motor life. The air volume goes up to 580 cubic feet per minute, and airspeed reaches up to 145 miles per hour, which is plenty for wet leaves, heavy clippings, and stubborn debris on driveways and patios. The variable speed trigger lets you feather the power for corners, and the turbo button gives you a short burst when you hit a thick pile. Another thing I like is that the cruise control is built in, so you can lock a steady speed and give your hand a break on long passes. Plus, the tool is light for its class, which helps reduce fatigue when you sweep large areas. And because it is part of the Greenworks Pro 80 volt system with more than 20 tools, the same battery can also power a mower, trimmer, or chainsaw, which stretches your budget further. As compared to higher-end models on this list, you may give up some extras like weather sealing or bundled nozzles, but you still get a clean, high-velocity stream and a quiet motor. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly leaf blower with simple controls and enough power to clear heavy leaves without gas, this one is the best pick for you. Number 5 is the EcoPower Plus LB 5804580CFM cordless leaf blower. This is the best battery handheld option on our list. This blower has Ego's 56-volt ARC lithium battery platform that's known for strong output and smart heat management. The air volume goes up to 580 cubic feet per minute, and turbo mode helps push through wet clumps and packed grass. With a recommended 5.0 ampere-hour battery, runtime can reach up to 75 minutes in lighter settings, which is great for sidewalks, decks, and long fence lines. You get a variable speed trigger for precise control and a lock-on dial to hold your speed so your finger does not get tired. The high-efficiency brushless motor keeps vibration down and helps the tool last longer. The design is light and well-balanced, and the housing carries an IPX4 rating for weather resistance, so a light drizzle is not a problem. Ego also includes tapered and spread nozzles in the box, which makes it easy to switch from a wide sweep to a focused jet for cracks and corners. Overall, if you're looking for a dependable handheld blower that lives on a proven battery line and runs long between charges, this one is a solid pick. Number 4 is the Makita LXT cordless leaf blower. This is the best cruise control blower on our list. It has a BL brushless motor that delivers up to 459 cubic feet per minute and up to 116 miles per hour, which is ideal for daily cleanup on hard surfaces and garden beds. Another thing I like is the way you can manage power. There is a variable speed trigger for quick bursts and a cruise control lever with a speed lock. Set the airflow you want, lock it in, and walk so you get no finger strain. The inline fan design keeps the tube and motor in a straight line, which improves balance and reduces wrist twist. With the battery, the tool weighs about 6.5 pounds, so it is easy to carry for longer sessions. And the Makita's extreme protection technology adds seals inside the housing to help channel away dust and water, which is helpful around wet mulch or after a light rainfall. Now, the blower runs on a single 18-volt LXT battery, the same pack used across a very large tool family, and Makita batteries are known for fast charge times, and the electronic controls help the motor sip power and prevent overload and overheating. Overall, if you want a cruise-controlled blower that feels balanced, locks speed with a flick, and shares packs with your other Makita tools, this one is the solid pick for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the cordless leaf blowers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the DeWalt 60-volt max high-power brushless blower. This is the best runtime option on our list. It's a high-output 60-volt class blower, and for this one, DeWalt stretches battery life smartly with 2 performance modes and efficient fan geometry. You can run turbo to move heavy debris or switch to eco mode for longer sessions. That's ideal when you're maintaining long sidewalks or wide driveways. The air volume reaches up to 760 cubic feet per minute with airspeed up to 160 miles per hour, so the power is there when you need it. The design is compact and balanced, and foam inside the housing helps cut noise compared to gas units. A bright LED dashboard gives real-time status and makes it simple to see your mode and battery feedback at a glance. You also get practical accessories including a flat nozzle for broad sweeps, a concentrator nozzle for tight corners, and a shoulder strap that takes weight off your arm on long days. The tool is part of DeWalt's 60-volt FlexVolt system, so job site batteries can swap in. Overall, if you're looking for a cordless leaf blower that can also pace itself for long runs, this one is the best option for you. Number 2 is the Works Cordless Leaf Blower. This is the best value option on our list. It has turbine fan tech to push up to 430 cubic feet per minute and up to 90 miles per hour, which is perfect for daily yard care. The high-efficiency brushless motor boosts runtime by about 50% and extends motor life, so you get more work from each charge. Another thing I like is that the control is simple. It has 3 speed settings plus a turbo mode. You can use low for dusting corners, medium for walkways, high for open areas, and turbo when you hit a wet patch. The blower weighs about 7.3 pounds with the batteries, and the one-handed layout makes it easy to carry and aim. And you also get 2 20-volt, 2.5 ampere-hour batteries and a dual charger in the package. Plus, the packs work across more than 140 Works PowerShare tools, so you can build a low-cost kit around them. Overall, if you are moving from a corded unit or you want a clean, affordable cordless setup for regular cleanup, this one provides the best value for money. Number 1 is the EcoPower Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. This is the best overall leaf blower on our list. It puts power, control, and runtime together in one kit that most yards can grow into. Its peak airflow reaches up to 670 cubic feet per minute, and airspeed goes up to 180 miles per hour with the tapered nozzle attached. That means heavy, wet leaves, sticks, and clumped grass are not a problem. The variable speed trigger lets you dial from about 250 to 530 cubic feet per minute for normal work, and the lock-on dial holds your setting so you can sweep evenly. When you hit a big pile, tap turbo, and you get a push force that feels like a small jet stream. The high-efficiency brushless motor keeps vibration low and helps the tool last, and the housing carries an IPX4 rating for weather resistance, which is great when the job cannot wait for perfect weather. This kit includes a 56-volt 4.0 ampere-hour ARC lithium battery that can deliver up to 80 minutes of runtime in lighter settings, plus both tapered and spread nozzles so you can switch from a focused stream to a wide path fast. The design is light, well-balanced, and easy to point, so you can work longer with less arm fatigue. Overall, if you want one blower that handles everyday sweeping and the toughest weekend cleanups, this one is the overall best to buy. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect cordless leaf blower for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a cordless leaf blower you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.